Welcome to Hands on High Tech. Like and subscribe below. Hey, a little tip for you again. For watering outdoor plants, I'm going to show you what I'm doing here. Putting together the system for the spring. I usually put spring, let it run all the way to the fall. But I'll show you what I use. It's called B-Hyve, and I've been using it now for maybe 5 years. I love these little systems. So I've actually added to it. So it's like a drip water system, but it works great. So what I'm doing right now is first, I found I've gotten so many of them, I need to label them. So I've been putting labels on this one. This is the garage side bushes. This is a back deck. Just kind of so I know which one is which. Because every spring when I pull these out from winter, because I put them away for winter so they don't freeze, I need to know which ones are which. So I hook things to, ferns here that go up here at the front porch, to, plants in the back, which I'll show you later. But I love these little things. They work great. It's no brainer. Keeps my plants watered and healthy. And anyway, so now at the spring, it's time to get them back out. So I'll show you what I'm doing. Okay, at the first of the season, what I do is I pull them all out. I put batteries. Batteries go in this little compartment here in this door. I have one that looks like it's not working. I think it's this one right here. I got to figure that out. But this right here is where the batteries go. And then each one, I go into the app, which I'll show you up at the top here. And I have to control them via Bluetooth, figure out which one's which. Where it'd be really nice, like I said, if they were labeled. So I'm going to do that and see if it sticks. Anyway, and then once it's labeled and it's connected, once I finish setting up Bluetooth, it'll connect to Wi-Fi. So I have a little device that I have inside the house. I'll show you one of them. I got 3 positioned around the property, one on the left side of the house, one on the right side of the house, and one out near the horse barn, where we actually water ferns that hang above the horse barn. Anyway, all that said, I'm going to keep moving along here and keep labeling these out. I just identified this as the bird bath. By the way, that's an easy way to keep your bird bath full. So we have birds come all summer, use the bird bath. I use this little device, been using it for a long time, just to fill the water bird bath a couple times a day, once in the morning, maybe once in the afternoon or evening, depending upon how quick they empty it. And you can also manually do it. So if you're inside and you see it's not full, you can hit the button and fill it up. So it's a really cool thing. How slick is that? So I have the water hose coming out right here, and it's filling the bird bath up from that little device right there. And I have those 2 hooked in, and both turn on manually, but they'll come on twice a day. If I put, actually, the bushes will be once a day, bird bath will be twice a day.